In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable JavaScript in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're working on forms or interactive PDFs, enabling JavaScript can unlock a range of functionalities that enhances your document experience. This process is straightforward and only requires a few simple steps. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up Adobe Acrobat and navigate to the home page. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the upper menu options. We're going to start by clicking on the menu option. This is generally located at the top left of your screen. Selecting Menu opens up a list of various options and settings you can adjust within Adobe Acrobat. Next, we're going to click on Preferences. The Preferences setting is your gateway to customizing how Acrobat behaves and can be found in the drop-down list that appears. This area allows you to tailor the application settings to better fit your specific needs. After successfully opening the Preferences menu, it's time to focus our attention on finding the JavaScript settings. On the left-hand column of the Preferences window, you'll see a list of categories. Simply scroll or look through until you find the section labeled JavaScript. Click on JavaScript, which will open up related options specific to JavaScript functionality within the application. Now that we're in the JavaScript settings, here comes the crucial step, enabling JavaScript. What you're looking for once you're in this section is the box next to Enable Acrobat JavaScript. All you need to do is tick this box. By selecting this option, you're effectively allowing Acrobat to run JavaScript, which can be particularly useful if you're dealing with dynamic content or interactive PDFs. Enabling JavaScript can substantially boost the performance and functionality of your documents. However, always ensure that you trust the sources of the PDFs you're interacting with, as JavaScript, when misused, can pose security risks. With that checkbox ticked, you're almost done. The final step is simply to confirm and save your changes. At the bottom right corner of the Preferences dialog, click OK. By doing so, you're saving your new setting, telling Acrobat to adopt these changes the next time you open or interact with a PDF. Congratulations! You've just enabled JavaScript in Adobe Acrobat. This powerful feature is now ready to enhance your workflow and bring greater functionality to your documents. And there you have it, a simple yet essential tweak to get the most out of Adobe Acrobat. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy PDF editing!